Hello, and today what we have is Shenron as Goku's just about to make one of his wishes. So I had it in my mind to create this illustration for quite some time, to try to capture the greatness, the grandness, the sheer size that is Shenron when he is summoned by Goku or anyone else. So the purpose here was to try to fill up as much of the illustration with Shenron as possible, to fully capture that size. So the brush that I start all my illustrations with is the ragged hard round brush. You'll be able to find the link down below. And right here you see I create basically a template of the scales as a guideline, so that with that I was able to then shade in the texture of the scales. I'm using it here as well. Just to make it easier to try to follow the scale pattern rather than not have something as a guide. And right here, once again, I'm using that scale guide to help me to better understand where the scales would be, where the highlights and shadows, where to put them. Normally I always go from grayscale to color, but on this piece on Goku I just felt like making it all in color from the very beginning. So the typical way I go about adding color to my grayscale drawings is the use of gradient maps. The purpose of gradient maps is you can have multiple colors that represent the grayscale that you have underneath it to give that solid foundation of color, and then from that foundation you build upon it and then just paint above it. I wasn't too happy with Goku's pose the way it was here. It felt too basic and boring. I felt like he had to better interact with Shenron. So that's why I changed his arm as if he's saying hello to Shenron. Though it's a small change, I feel it better captures the whole mood and feeling of this painting. And here is the final piece of Shenron with Goku. What do you guys think? Did I capture the greatness that is Shenron? If you like this video, how about you hit that like button? If you're new here, how about you hit that subscribe button so you can see all my new content every single week. And just a reminder that this drawing, along with all my other drawings, can be found at my online store. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.